morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. It's day 3, or is it day 4, of the easy week before Thanksgiving, which you know is tomorrow. Last night, I did chili dogs, open face, with French fries. Super simple. The only thing, that's why I did a big laugh in my prep photo, because all I had to prep was the diced onion. That's it. I had to heat some chili and played with it a little bit. Of course, I casual chefed it. The hot dogs were cooked in olive oil like I always do. It was lots of food. Plenty of food. If you've seen the photo, the plate was full. Yeah, I'm still eating like that at this age. Tonight is another super simple night. Baked potato bar. No prep. There's no prep. Because I had plenty of onions left over from last night. I'm just going to carry forward to today. The only thing let's eat the itty bitty bit of prep. And I'll get to that in a second. So I'm doing baked potato bar for tonight's dinner. And today, I've already got my chef whites out, the actual whites, is because I'm baking pumpkin bars. Now, I've been told I'm the only one going to be eating these. Robin is not a real big fan of pumpkin. So, yeah, we're doing some simple bar-type desserts for Thanksgiving. So, since I had such an easy day for dinner in the kitchen, I'm going to do the pumpkin bars today. After everything softens and gets ready nice and go for it. Super simple. So, all right, let's get to it. Simple hardware today. The skillet is for the bacon. The sheet pan is for the pumpkin bars. Got a couple of russets. Bacon. We're going to be topping this, and this can be in no order or preference. Salsa, butter, sour cream, onion, pickled jalapenos, which has become a household favorite on a lot of different things, and a couple different things of shredded cheese and so forth. Yeah, so it's real simple. Of course, salt and pepper, yummy, yummy, yummy. So like I said, super simple, no prep, except for I got to chop up the bacon. For the pumpkin bars, it's a fairly simple recipe. We've got all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, a 15-ounce can of pumpkin, butter. I'm using Mexican vanilla, some veggie oil, salt, baking powder, baking soda. There's granulated sugar in this bad boy, powdered sugar and cream cheese for the frosting, and this is, there it is, Saigon cinnamon from the local spicery. Yeah, I have 2 different cinnamons here in the house. They actually blend the Indonesian and the Saigon together if you'd like that little bit of a blend. It's really nice. And of course, this hardware for both the batter and the frosting. So, that's my easy day. I might have to go to the store. Oops. I think I might need some powdered sugar. Well, all right. If I go, I'm going super early, like right after this. It's Thanksgiving Eve. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.